Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. So in today's exciting spreading video, we have a plant unboxing from the Hollywood Hibiscus company. We've been working in the past, and so they decided to send me another hibiscus called Heartbreaker. I'm really excited. I've been waiting all week for this, and now it's finally came. So let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing. So guys, the Hollywood Hibiscus is already unboxed, and oh my goodness guys, look at this beauty. So look, so let me bring the camera closer for you guys can see. So this is the Hollywood Hibiscus Heartbreaker. Look at this beautiful flower, you guys. It came in full with flowers. There of course flawn, but that's okay. But it's full of buds and it was full of flowers, but I did pop them off because I wanted to focus on the newer ones coming out. But look at this beauty, guys. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Look at the structure of this. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Hollywood Hibiscus company. I'll be leaving their media links down below. I'm gonna make another video detailed on this. It's today I'm very busy. I came back from testing from the school, and so I came back to this beauty right here. So once again, this is called the Heartbreaker Hibiscus. All the Hollywood Hibiscus company media links are down below for you guys to check out. Go follow them and go support them. Let's go ahead and wrap up this video. So guys, that's it for this exciting spreading video. Once again, a huge shout out to the Hollywood Hibiscus company for partnering with us and sending this beauty out for me to trial this year. It's amazing. Came in perfect shape. Absolutely love it. I have no words to show how beautiful this is. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.